Hey guys, I'm here with my 2016 Ford F150 XL. Most important thing is it's a 2.7 liter EcoBoost, and I'm going to put in a K&N Air filter. And here's the part number right there. I'll put a link in the description. I got this at AutoZone. I think it was like $53, $54 plus whatever tax. I didn't think it was too bad. I think it's cheaper on Amazon, but I need an air filter and I like K&N, so this is what I'm going to put in. Here's your air box. It's on the right side of the vehicle, driver's side, and just undo these tabs right there, and then that just kind of slides out with some tabs on the other side, and you kind of just lift it up and kind of move out of the way. That's what it looks like. Factory one. And it's not too bad. I'll have to be honest, I don't remember if I replaced this. I thought I just turned it around. Maybe I did replace it. Whatever. I'm gonna replace it now. Again, it's been 10,000 miles. So what comes in these boxes, this is what the filter looks like from K&N. Take it out of the plastic, but that's it. Should have a, well, here's a promotional card, a sticker, directions, and I'm actually surprised. Usually they come with a sticker you put on the air box that says, you know, do not, like, you know, throw away K&N air filter. So here's some just hint. This just lists some helpful hints on installing your K&N replacement air filter. Because I've owned K&N air filters for a while now, in one motorcycle and in various vehicles over the year, because it's good for life. You just clean it. That's why I don't mind spending the money, because it's a vehicle I'm going to keep. If you're not keeping the vehicle, it wouldn't make sense. But I'll have to look up the price, and of some other air filters, normal ones, I'll put a link in the description just to normal ones. I think they're like 12, 15 bucks. You know, this is 53, so. And plus, it will go a lot longer being dirtier because it will flow more air. Oh, the sticker just fell off the bottom of this. And that's what the sticker looks like. So do not discard. It's a K&N. So I'll put that on. I'll clean the spot and put that on the air box. That's mainly so if you take it in and get it worked on, some idiot doesn't throw it away. But because I have K&N air filters, I have stuff called like air filter sealing grease. Now you can use this to put along here. I'll clean this up with some simple green or something and a rag. And you can put this on and it will just really seal, you know, the air box onto it so no dirt gets around the filter and goes through your air system, air intake. It's amazing. I have so many chemicals, and right now all I can find is glass cleaner. So that'll work. So spray that on. You just want to clean where it's going to seal for obvious reasons. And I'm looking inside the air intake, and I don't see any dirt getting by the other one, so that's good. Of course, I haven't had the vehicle that long. Okay. So, as you can see, it's pretty dirty. So you just clean around. First, I'm going to see how this fits without the grease. That's basically what it is for their K&N filter grease. It's just, if you have white, like AMSOIL racing grease, which is just white, you can use that too. Okay, so that would sit there. And that's what it looks like in. I think I want to go ahead and add the filter grease. Find a spot, place that. Just because it seemed like that's kind of a harder rubber than the other filter. So you can just squeeze it. Now this kind of does make it a little bit messier, if you will. If you're in a really dusty environment, what you would do with the K&N filter is you probably want to put some sort of foam inside the air intake and have like a pre-filter. Now that's what I do with my XR650R. But for normal road use and the occasional gravel road and whatnot, it's fine. And K&N filters filter better as they get dirty, because once they get dirt stuck to them, they're just filtering better. And if for some reason dirt was going to try to get around the edge of this, that's what the grease will do. It will just stop it, and literally it will just build up over time. So just put that on. Wipe the excess there down. I'll add some on top. Now there's cleaning chemicals you buy, and remember, K&N is cotton. So you could probably use normal tacky air filter stuff to put on it, but I've always just used the K&N, and it comes off good with their cleaner, and it literally, all that red will just come off. It'd be white because it's cotton. It's not like you have to add a lot of this. The idea is if you do have a leak around, it will just clog itself by building up a bunch of dirt on this basically grease. Like I said, I've used AMSOIL racing grease, which is just white. I'm going to take this, and then that will slide back in slots. That goes back down, and it locks back in. Now, what I don't like about the design, instead of being metal, these are just plastic. So I'm sure over time that could break, and who knows, they probably make you buy a whole new air housing, or at that point I think I would try to put a bolt or something through with a wing nut, you know. But that's how you install an air filter on your F-150, a 2016 with the 2.7 liter, and that's what a K&N air filter replacement looks like. So it's just something I like to use on all my vehicles because I keep them long time, so I save it in the long run. Like I said, if you're just keeping a vehicle for, I don't know, say 5 years, you're probably not going to really save anything. You know, unless you're really changing that out every year, and then you might break even, or if you're changing it more because you're in a dusty environment, might be saving money then. But because I plan to keep this for 19, 18 more years, this, you know, is much easier for me, and I have all the stuff already because I've been using K&N for a long time. But there we go. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Have a good one, guys.